Hi, I'm Sorel from Bangkok, Thailand. Today I will share about MMM briefly. The world is unfair for poor people. We need to change the world. The main goal of founder Sergey Mavodi created this community is to fight the unfair financial system of the world, where the rich became richer and the poor became poorer. We still live in the slaveholding society. We aim to demolish the unfair world by joining MMM Global. Everyone can achieve financial freedom by helping each other. Thanks to MMM financial apocalypse is inevitable and unavoidable. MMM is the only financial aid and donation exchange. It is a peer-to-peer system. Participants transfer donations directly to the account of other participants. Today you help someone, tomorrow you will be helped. MMM is neither a company nor a business. There is no boss, no owner. MMM is a self-managed community by participants. It has no central account, so we do not transfer our money to MMM. Instead, we send our donations directly to the recipient's account. Participate in the system by providing minimum contribution $10 to another participant and get rewarded by system with credits called MAVO. MMM doesn't guarantee that when you join MMM you will get your money on time or get all your money back. There's no law that says donations are illegal. MMM is not engaged in any form of investment activity. MMM lasts as long as participants keep their transaction flow, still doing providing help and getting help. MMM uses Bitcoin in sending and receiving donations. Bitcoin is a digitalized currency. Rules of MMM. Members must be 18 years and older. One member should have only one account. Multiple registration and creating multiple accounts are forbidden. Only use your spare money to provide help. In case of violation of these rules, participants' account will be blocked. In 2 weeks after you have joined the community but you haven't made any contributions and haven't done any referral activity, your account in private office of MMM can be deleted for inactivities. Benefits of MMM. In the general rules, for participating the sum must be from $10 to $10,000 and multiple of $10. For example, if the participants had provided assistance of $1,000, he will be awarded with 1,000 MAVO. You can have MAVO in MMM Extra program. You can take part in it only after you create a provide help request in your PO. You will receive 0.67% per day. When you live with MMM for 30 days, you will get your totally 20%. And if you do the task as MMM Extra task, if your task is confirmed, then an additional 2.67% per day's interest will be added. So you will get 3.33% interest on that day you have completed and confirmed by moderator. Your daily task in MMM Extra. If you complete all daily tasks within 30 days, your MAVO will be grown up to 100%. Registration bonus has 3 levels. This money is given to full participants making their first contribution. You will get $20 when your contribution from 50 to 499 US. This bonus is frozen for 2 weeks. If you take out your contribution earlier, the bonus will be cancelled, and you will get 50 US dollar when your contribution from 500 to 2,999 US dollar. This bonus is frozen for a month. And the last, you will get 100 US dollar when you contribute from $3,000 and more. This bonus is frozen for a month as well. The referral bonus 10% of the amount provided by each of your participants. And if you are guider, you can get 5% from the first level participant contribution, 3% from the second level participant contribution, 1% on the third level, 0.5% on the fourth level, 0.3% on the fifth level, and the next level all are 0.01%. After you get help, if you make video the letter of happiness, you are given 5% extra more if the video will show your face and voice, and 3% extra more, which will not show you personally. It comes from the amount of your get help. The bonus of video is paid in the Marvel and Frozen for 1 month. And if during this period you decided to remove your video, the bonus will be cancelled. MMM successfully works more than 4 years in over 100 countries and has more than 130 million participants around the world. So, what are you waiting for? Be a part of this great community. Together we can change the world. Long life MMM and long life Sergey Mavody. Thank you.